Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to sell Bitcoin on Crypto.com. So let's get started. Now, once you are on your Crypto.com, you will see all of your Bitcoins, which you have, and some others, which you don't. So to sell it, you just basically need to go ahead and click on the coin. As you can see, I don't have my Bitcoin, so I cannot sell it here. But for example, I have Ethereum here, and I can go ahead and sell it. So to sell it, do you want to go ahead and click on the sell option right there on one of those buttons? And then you're going to choose the currency that you want to sell. And after that, you will have an option to choose other coins. Another way would be to choose not the market order, but the target price, which would let you sell for cash too, right here. And you will need to add the payment method here. And that's it, how you sell Bitcoin on Crypto.com. Or you can sell it either for crypto or cash. Use the link in the description to sign up to Crypto.com for a free account and potentially get a valuable prize as well.